Hello everyone and welcome to another video of this series. And in this video, we are going to look at another digital marketing tactic. So in the last video, we were looking at online travel agents, how to use them as a tactic to get more bookings. Now we are going to look at Facebook ads. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works, first of all, and then how to target your ideal audience, how to attract your target audience through Facebook ads. I'm going to show you in this video. First of all, let's look at how it works. Here is a Facebook ad in front of you, and this is an ad from Taj Hotels. So you can look that it's a carousel format ads. There are multiple videos in this ad, and you can just swipe and look at all the different hotels which are available at Goa. And when you click on book now, you will be redirected to their website where you can book a room. So how it works? Facebook ad, you reach out to people. People go to your website when they click on book now. Then people book a room on your website. So it looks simple, but there are some complications which I am going to share with you next. So just now I showed you how Facebook ads work, but the problem is people don't go to Facebook for booking a room. That's the problem, right? People are on Facebook to just look at their friends' photos or just look at whatever the pages they have liked, look at the news, do whatever they want, but they are not there to book a hotel. And so the problem is user intent is not there. And you might think that just by doing this kind of promotion, how can people get good results, and it doesn't make any sense. So now I'm going to show you why Facebook ads actually work, and Facebook ad actually works well. Most people I have seen, they use Facebook ads, they just click on that boost button and then they quit. Some people, they use Facebook ads and after some time they realize that it doesn't work and they quit. But the problem is that people don't know how to target the right audience. So first I'm going to show you how you can target the right audience and what mistake you might be doing, or just if you haven't tried Facebook marketing, Facebook ads till now, then this will be a new learning for you. So to target the audience, Facebook actually has data coming from a lot of sources, and the best source of Facebook is Facebook Pixel, which is installed in hotels websites. For instance, you can see in this one, Taj Hotels has installed Facebook Pixel. So this Facebook Pixel is a piece of code which lets Facebook know that one of the Facebook's user has been here on the website. So Facebook knows that people are interested in hotels, and this makes us easy to target these people. When we click on interest as hotels, people who are interested in hotels, Facebook knows who to target. Facebook knows who to reach out to give you more bookings, and that's why Taj Hotel is using this type of ads to get themselves bookings. So another way is, there is another option on Facebook in locations tab. You can see that you can target people who are traveling in this location. So while you can just imagine you have just one hotel and which is in a location, and you can imagine that the location is Pune. So you can target people who are traveling to this location, who are traveling to Pune. So imagine how accurate this audience will be. This is how, see how powerful Facebook is, how you can target the right audience, the exact audience you want. You can reach out to exactly the people who are interested in your ads. Also, there is an option to target frequent travelers. So these are the people who like traveling, and you can see the size of audience in this category. There are lots of people in this category you can target, and you can also do layering of all these suggestions which I am giving. You can layer these things up. So people who are traveling recently in your location, people who are frequent travelers, people who have interest in hotels. So when you do this kind of targeting, then you will get much better results, and I don't think people do such a good targeting. Now Why people quit, one of the reason is that once even after doing good targeting, they just wait for results, and they think that uh, once they don't get good results, they think that Facebook ads doesn't work and they quit, which is not the right approach. You have to consistently test and learn with different things. You have to test with different target audiences. For example, along with all the audiences which I just suggested, you might have a luxury hotels. You must be targeting people who are interested in luxury hotels. So you can target a different type of audience there. Maybe you are targeting just working professionals, so you can target business owners also. So that's how you can target different audiences on Facebook. You can test with different audiences, and you can go with whichever ones works best. Then you can test with the ad copy by changing your messaging. Maybe people are going away because there's some different messages, some wrong messaging there. So you can test with different messaging, and whichever works best, you should use that. You can test with different prices. Maybe people think that this is too high price. Maybe you are not getting enough margin, so you can increase the price. You can test with offers and discount. Maybe people you can maybe sometimes people are not converting enough and you need more bookings urgently, so you can give some kind of discounts. Because if you'll use online travel agents, you are already giving such a high commission to them, so it's better to give discounts here. And one more thing is, you have to improve your website. It might happen that your website is not fast enough, or maybe people can't even see the option to book a room. There can be many problems with the website as well. Maybe you are not giving the right experience to the people. You may be talking about something else in the copy, something else in the messaging, and on your website is designed for someone else. So you have to improve your website. You have to align it with the whole ad, with the audience, with the ad copy, with your messaging. And you can improve your content as well. You can get better quality images, you can get better quality videos for of your hotel to attract your audience. And last things and most important thing is, there's something called Facebook's automatic optimization. Once Facebook gets data, Facebook needs 50 bookings. After Facebook gets 50 bookings, Facebook automatically optimizes your ad. So after getting 50 bookings, Facebook will automatically give you better results. So you can imagine, for example, that you are getting 100 rupees per lead, 100 rupees per booking from Facebook. So after getting 50 bookings, Facebook will automatically optimize your ad, and now maybe you may get 50 rupees per booking, or you may get even lower than that. So Facebook's automatic optimization is also something which automatically optimizes for you. So it's very important to test and learn. And by the way, you must have seen this logo here. You must have seen this logo here with the short form TNL. So this is the name of my website, and it stands for Test and Learn itself, because Test and Learn is so important, and I believe in testing and learning so much that I've named my website Test and Learn. So just something I wanted to tell you. Also, people think that it's very difficult if they have a lot of hotels, if they have a lot of room, to create Facebook ads. So there is an option to create a catalog. So in Catalog Manager, you can just upload all your ads, and you can upload all your hotels, and you can create a group of hotels together. You can tie up all the hotels together to create a hotel set. To For example, Pune, you have two hotels, so you can create a hotel set. Once a person has shown interest in one type of hotel, you can show them another type of hotel as well. So how to start Facebook advertising? You can do it yourself, and for that I'm going to give you a link in the description to learn more. Facebook has designed its own course to uh, just teach you about how to use Facebook ads, and there is a specially made course for this purpose itself. It's called Book More Business with Travel Ads. You can see in the image below, and you can just go through this. You can just go through this course, and you can learn about Facebook ads. And I have provided a link in the description to learn more. One more thing, if you are thinking about how to start, you can also hire an expert. And just excuse me for a little bit of self promotion here, but I am an expert as well, and I am also certified in Facebook ads also. So you can hire me as well, me and my team. to help you, and I will shortly help you with your business. And I can just, you can hire me for auditing as well. You can hire me for counseling. You can just talk to me. You can just message me. There is a chat option in on this website. You can just drop a comment. You can just reach out to me. I've already given, you must have my number maybe. You must be there. There are ways to contact me. So just contact me if you need any help. I am there for you. Or if you don't want to contact me, you can hire an expert in general from many websites, or you can just reach out to more other agencies to help you with your business. So that's it about Facebook ads. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Ads to grow your business. Thank you for watching.